and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. My name's Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Defender D240 XS Edition 110 in Santorini Black. This car's previously had one owner, it's next due for a service in April 2024 and has done 1,066 miles. As it's part of our approved use, to get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology. So you have matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 20-inch 5 split spoke diamond turned finish alloys going into the back of the vehicle. You have enough space there for 3 passengers, including isofix brackets, which is ideal for families, and a centre armrest for maximum comfort. Going in towards your boot, you have plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. Continuing around the car, you also have privacy glass, black roof rails and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have Defender tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, a lovely light interior which is also leather, and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car and really brightening up your interior. So that's the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside the car and show you the technology. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot monitor, which is perfect for motorway driving and also makes it that little bit safer. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is practical for longer journeys. A heated steering wheel, perfect for a cold winter morning. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive drive display where you can view your vehicle, media, trip, and view and change your display, for example if you want the sat-nav in front of you. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with other functions including a 3D surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to having a bigger car. You also have heated and cooled front seats, which are practical for winter and summer. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. Down here you have various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the vehicle, making it suitable for all conditions. Wireless charging, which is great for longer journeys, and a cooler compartment, which is useful for long journeys and keeping refreshments cold. Finally, you have a clear sight interior rear view mirror that's your mirror that can also be a camera if you can't see out the back window for any reason. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Defender D240 XS Edition 110 in Santorini Black, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.